Hey there, it's Nick.
I'm here with my good friend Nico. This is Felipe as well. And today we're gonna be playing a game of drone. So this is how it's gonna work. One of the players have to make a trick. The other ones have to repeat it. If they do it, they're good, go to the next round. If they don't do it, you're gonna get a letter. First one, the D. If you complete the whole drone word, you're gonna lose. You have two opportunities to create the trick, and the contestants also have two opportunities of making the trick. The thing is, we can do either one trick or a two-trick combo, which means if I do a power loop, I can do another power loop, and that will be it. This is what we're gonna be using. He's gonna be using the R65. Nico is gonna be using the R65 as well. I'm gonna be using my R75 dockless, which is the one I have right here. He's here getting ready.
How do you say hachipoin in English?
Rock, paper, scissors. He's getting ready. He already
cleaning the lawnmower.
Okay, so we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors.
1, 2, 3, kachipo. Let's start.
You start.
Two tricks. One split S, then the power loop across the three obstacles, and then through.
That's it.
That's it.
Nice one.
Exactly.
He did it. He did it. And now, power loop. Oosh. Nice, nice. Now it's Nico's turn. One split S over the bar. Ah! Oh! So Nico gets the letter D. Okay, so now it's my turn. Again, the freaking wind. Let's go up. One split S.
I don't think.
Oh! No!
Oh, fuck.
Second time recording, trying to split S. Twice, now I got here. I got
Nice.
Nice. He continues putting the tricks. I don't know what you're gonna do now.
Okay. We're going to do a Mari flip.
Mari flip. Okay.
I'm going to try to do a Mari flip.
No! Make it seamless. No! Oof! Ah! So now it's Nico's turn to create the trick that we're gonna be playing.
In the treehouse over there, I'm gonna do a split S and then a power loop over here.
Okay. Go.
I don't know.
Let's see. Split S. Okay, one split S. Oh my god. No! Repeat again. Split it. Nice. And power loop. No! Oh! Now it's my turn to make a trick. He didn't do the Mati though, so I guess I'm gonna try that.
The same.
On the same go. So the Mati is right here. I'm gonna be coming up on this side. Nice!
Oh, nice.
Mati. Nice! Mati over that.
I wasn't looking, so I was falling.
Ready. Whenever you're ready. Oh! Nice! Oh! Oh! Does it count?
It counts.
Okay. The Mati flip. Oh! Poof! So no one gets a letter. So I get to put another trick now. So a split S, and then I'm gonna enter the cylinder and come out the other way.
Into
Okay.
the cylinder, okay.
Yeah, that cylinder.
Okay.
Finish up.
Inside. Oh
Oh,
no!
fuck.
Inside. Oh, no, it's pretty hard. So it's now his turn to
I'm gonna
make
do
a
the
trick.
same.
You're gonna do the same?
Split S through the tunnel.
Oh shit. Split S. Split S. Oh! Split S inside the tunnel. Two opportunities. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. Oh, there's water inside the tunnel. Split S and then inside the tunnel. Oh, he split S inside the tunnel. Oh my god. Ah! count?
Yeah, it counts. Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna change some settings here.
Okay, so Matty flip and then power loop, almost like a rewind, I guess.
Yeah.
Matty flip, that's a good idea. If he doesn't do it, I'm gonna do it. Oh,
Remember who has the letters?
yeah.
Which one has letters?
He has D. No. As of now, only Nico has a letter, which is D. We're trying to remember, but I think no one else has letter. Okay, he's gonna try the same one. He was all in, man. He was committed. Oh, and then power loop. What was that, man? A split S?
Okay,
You
I
have to like
connect
go
them.
in. Yeah, you have to connect them. So Mati, and then go inside. Yeah, and power loop it. Nice, nice. Oh.
Let's go ahead and do
Oh, fucked up. What?
No, no.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it, man.
No, you didn't.
I failed. I get a letter. No.
You get the D. I get the D. We're going to do a power loop to a tree.
So one power loop. Whoop. Power loop. Oh. Mati. Hey, no, Mati. Trippy flip. Trippy spin, I mean. Power loop, yeah.
Power loop that, yeah.
Whip. Oh, trippy spin.
And the tree is in there. Yeah.
Without power loop. Oh! He gets another letter. This time it's going to be the
R.
R.
Perfect. Trippy.
Trippy to the ground.
We almost killed. Give me your best thinking face.
We are going to do
So, one Matty flip right here.
Yeah.
All come all
Start
the way
the
here,
rewind here,
and
and-
then go inside, power loop it, and come in again, all the way to that.
Yeah.
Okay, so Felipe is going for the Matty trick here, Matty, and then he goes to the power loop. But the thing you don't see is that he was being followed by the dog, and then also he has to dodge the person with the dog. So we're gonna give it to him as well. So he sets the trick. Nico gets the oh. I'm kind of happy, not because he's losing, but because we've been here like a couple hours and we only have 3 letters now. So Matty flip and power loop. Oh, too long, but I did it.
You did it, yeah.
So we're gonna change one rule. We're gonna have to only do like one trick because this is taking quite a long time. So one trick and that's it. Like a Matty, a power loop, a roll,
Okay.
whatever. You can even put a roll.
Yeah, a simple one. A simple one with a power loop.
So it's a power loop on the second level, inside. Oh! Let's see. Again, on the level, power loop, and then on the top level. No! Ah! He failed. So, one roll. That's it. So at this point there was a curious bystander. The guy's named Sebastian and he was very happy, so we decided to include him, so he'll be setting the next challenge. So here he's telling us like we have to go inside these 2 bars, come out these other 2 bars, and then we have to power loop it. Okay. And then go straight into that triangle gap we have right there. And to make it even more special, this one will be 2 letters if they lose. This one's gonna be hard. So under the bars, you have to go in the middle, power loop, and you have to go under the middle again. Okay, first try, power loop, again, go inside. So he gets the D and the R.
I cannot see shit.
I failed.
Uy, sí, mi power loop.
Pero ¿por qué tan rápido, güey? Muy bien.
Eso.
No!
You lost.
Nico is out.
Oh,
of
fuck.
action. He's gonna put another one and it's gonna count for 2 letters as well.
Fum, y pasas por el otro.
Aquí y aquí.
Ajá, por acá.
Okay.
Acá. Fum, por los dos.
Okay. I'm gonna lose. Go ahead, man. Good luck. And you cannot see shit.
I cannot see.
Oh, inside the red one. Inside the red. No!
No, I can't. With the wind, it's fucking impossible. With the wind. No. I give up.
He gets 2 letters. Let's try again. There's the dog, the killer drone dog. And the wind doesn't help at all.
Míralo con todas las
One.
pequeñas.
Oh!
You did this.
I did one, but now I crashed. One more. If
Recording
doesn't
again.
get the drone. One. No! I failed. I failed, man. It's pretty hard. So I lose. He's the winner because he only got 1 letter missing. So congratulations. He won a burned out BTX. Where is it?
the bad camera, the bad camera module.
Yeah, that's it, guys. This is it. We're probably gonna keep ripping here for a little while, and that's it. Thanks to him because he did the tricks that made me lose. But yeah, that's it.
Am I the only one? Am I the only one? Am I the only one? Up and down on my feet, feel like I'm ascending. I've planned every step, I've seen everything, so it's no surprise I can't sleep. It's just the push that I need. I've gone past the point, I'm all in. I know that you're thinking that you're really gonna do it, but you never really do it like me.